I got a 1956 Corvette, two-top, factory black with red. This one's sold. The guy contacted me before I even put it for sale. Like to see it, don't you? Frame off. Nice car. Lots of attention to detail. Is $283. I love the little bag over there. But you can see a lot of the beautiful components. I don't even know what I'm saying. But it is black with red. I won't be driving in the video. I just wanted to share something, since if I didn't do this, otherwise I wouldn't get a video. Red interior, 3-speed, so it's a 283 with the 3-speed. Real nice car. Underneath is excellent. Long time Florida owned. The owner who had it and restored it lived there. Second gentleman had it, was in Florida, and that's where I got it from. Hubcaps, beautiful black. All the chrome, excellent. The paint's beautiful. I got a little, I think the trunk's locked, but I got a little picture frame in there of all the pictures from the restoration. Some original paperwork from a selling dealer in the 60s, which is pretty cool. Other than that, it will be on its way to California today. It's number 1702 in production. Hard top, soft top. Firestone white walls. So, thanks for checking it out. I wish I would have made a full video of it, but it didn't work that way. Subscribe for more, and thanks for watching.